Your self-limiting belief is stopping you. All those thoughts can be summed up to the feeling that you are not good enough or mas magagaling sila. The bottom line is that your core genius is not enough, so why bother focusing or using it? Maybe for now. Hi there. To this buddy of somebody's voice, your buddy in achieving your dreams and goals so you can make a difference. I believe that we are blessed by God with unique talents and skills, and that gift can also be called core genius. My hope and prayer is that we are using these talents and skills that God gave us. Remember the Bible verse, Romans 12:6? We have different gifts according to the grace given to each of us. If your gift is prophesying, then prophesy in accordance to your faith. I know of a lot of successful people effortlessly using their core genius. They have fun doing what they love to do. They don't even mind staying late at work or in their business or in that project. Sometimes they do it even for free. Wow! Sana all. And I hope that you can relate to that one, right? If you know of someone na ganun yung stage, no, that they don't mind staying late at work, they don't mind like missing some sleep, that you okay to do this for free. Basically, they're using their core genius. You know what? Paki-type naman yung name nila. And you can type, relate. Relate ako dyan, buddy. Now, to some, it may be hard for them to focus or use their core genius. Why? Oh, ito yung mga sad part, no? Here are some of the reasons. One, no one or at best a few people will be willing to pay for your talent. Two, compared to you, there are so many much more talented people out there. Hey, just look at Reels, let's go look at TikTok. Diba, grabe, ang daming mas magagaling sa'yo. And, mas bata pa, diba? Oh my goodness, I can relate to this one. But anyways, three, you don't think that doing what you love to do will be able to help you financially. Did it just like so sad? And I know of a lot of people, they don't use their core genius because hindi talaga nakakabuhay ng pamilya. Alright, sad. Four, your self-limiting belief is stopping you. Ikaw yun, kaibigan. Sometimes, ikaw mismo ang nagsastop na maniwala na magaling ka. All those thoughts can be summed up to the feeling that you are not good enough or mas magagaling sila. The bottom line is that your core genius is not enough, so why bother focusing or using it? Yan yung paniniwala mo. Maybe for now, because you are still not an expert in what you do. Take note, for now. But hopefully, soon, right? The objective is that we get to use our core genius sooner or later. I heard this from someone that, if not now, when? Malcolm S. Forbes said that the biggest mistake people make in life is not trying to make a living of doing what they most enjoy. Hey, one of the things I learned during the pandemic is to focus on what matters most. And that is not only your faith, your family, but also yourself. Remember this? The biggest obligation that you can give to other people is to be your highest self. You need to fill in your love tank before serving others. Focus on yourself first so you can better serve your family, serve your friends, serve your customers. So when you focus on yourself, you are also focusing on your core genius. Tama, right? This is something that I learned from Jack Canfield. He said that if you do what you love, money will follow. You know what, mga kapatid? I really believe in that one. And hey, here are my idols who pursued and used their core geniuses. And not only that, they are being paid with what they do best. They are also making a difference in people's lives. One of them is Brother Arun Gogna. Hey, did you know that he resigned from being a professor in La Salle to become a preacher? then motivational speaker, and even an author. And marami po siyang ginagawa ang iba. But then, he is using his core genius. We also know Ron Howard, who makes movies, right? And you've seen a lot of his movies. This is him using his core genius. Also, so sobrang relate tayo dito, Jose Marie Chan, right? Did you know that Jose Marie Chan's father wanted him to focus on the family business and quit on his hobby, which is in music? But he told his dad that one never quit on their hobbies. And you know that he never stopped singing, right? And lastly, I even know of someone who is a doctor by day and theater actor by night. Wow, right? So, what do we do, buddy? Here are some suggestions. 1. Find a way to really be excellent in your core genius. Just like Academy Award winner for Best Actress, Miss Greer Garson, she said that starting to make money is the greatest mistake in life. Do what you feel you have a flair for doing. And if you're good enough at it, the money will come. Oh, yan yung wish ko. Right? Spend time honing your craft. This makes you good, better, and best. In the book Outliers, The Story of Success by Malcolm Gladwell, he said that if we want to be an expert in what we do, we need at least, are you listening? 10,000 hours of deliberate practice. You know what? If you will sum up that 10,000 hours, that is equivalent to 416 days. Like, that is like even more than a year, right? So how did I get that? For example, you're using your gift, no, and you're using it 8 hours, no, times 5 work days, that is 40 hours a week. And 40 hours times 52 work week, that is 2,080 hours a year. And we need 10,000, right? So 2,080 hours times 5 years, hey, that is 10,400 hours of deliberate practice to being an expert, right? Again, let's do it. All right, 2. Start delegating work or tasks to other people. You know what? Why do we do this? So you can focus on your core genius. For example, at work, you don't want to delegate because it's too time-consuming to explain to someone the task you can do for 5 minutes, right? Or you'll say that, buddy, okay na, I will not delegate it because I can do this task more quickly and better, right? If you do it yourself. But if you think long-term, you will have a different perspective. For example, there are 5 tasks that you don't want to delegate. And that 5 tasks you can do for 5 minutes. So 5 times 5 minutes is 25 minutes a day. Now, 25 minutes a day in a week, that is 125 minutes, right? Now, times 48 work week, that is 6,000 minutes or 20 days. Hey, you are missing on that 20 days of deliberate practice on your core genius. So, my friend, can you do this? Tell this to yourself. I need to delegate. So, start delegating, right? Sino yung mga guilty niyan? If you're guilty of not delegating, please type in the meeting chat, I am guilty of this one. All right. Anyways, 3. Use your core genius to serve others. Oh, that is really good, right? Now, remember the Bible verse 1 Peter 4:10 says, each of you should use whatever gift you have received to serve others as faithful stewards of God's grace in its various forms. This is not about us. This is about our friends, our families. This is about serving others. At the end of it all, your talent is not for you, but for others. So let's use it and use it with joy. Whew! I hope I was able to inspire you to start focusing on your core genius. Now, this is what I want you to do. Let us know in the comments below what your core genius is and how many hours you will devote to using it every day. Now, if you're already using it, for example, in your work or your business, congratulations! Woohoo! Take note that for you to become an expert, you need to be more conscious that you are building 10,000 deliberate practices, right? Now, To those who are not yet using it, you know what, and you're in a different field of work right now, this is what I want you to do. Be more intentional about being able to use it. Hey, spend a minimum of an hour a day to start building your 10,000 deliberate practice. So, write that in the comments below, and I will look forward to reading it. All right? Woohoo! So, I hope you find this message helpful. And if it does, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, somebody's voice, to your friends and families, for this might be the message that they want or needed to hear. Hey, especially those people, your friends and families, who are still not using their core geniuses. You know what? Let's be an inspiration to them. Right? Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I post new videos. To those people who started following me, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. That is like me using my core genius. But then I also want you to support me in my FB, in my IG. I regularly post videos. That is me using that deliberately, practicing or building my 10,000 hours. Right? So, thank you again for watching. And remember, we can be somebody who brings positive, loving, and joyful energy to others so we can be a blessing to others. Use your core genius.